Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and we're going to take a look at a couple of Porsches from the latest exotic Envy set. We're looking at the, I was going to say stock, but the regular Porsche from the set and the Chase from the set. These are not cars that I collect, the chase pieces, but I never leave any chase cars or treasure hunts. Well, regular treasure hunts I will leave behind, but chase stuff and super treasure hunts always come home with me, and I will pass them on to someone else to help me fund my stuff that I like the Mopars and stuff. That way I'm not spending too much of my paycheck on toy cars. So I try to make the hobby pay for itself. So anyways, this is the regular of the set, and it's not a bad looking car. Kind of a weird color combination. It's like I don't know, I kind of want to call it orange, but it's more like a taxi cab yellow, maybe with a little bit more orange in it. It's kind of an odd color, like a yellowish orange, so I guess I could call it, with the orange and black stripes and the 71 racing number on the door indicating the year. And the wheels are kind of cool looking. The chrome trim ring with a 5-spoke orange center. Pretty cool. And then the stripes carry on across the top of the car, on the hood. The front cargo area and the rear engine cover. This is kind of just a plain Jane Porsche in my opinion. It is a cool casting though. I like how they cast it in the side view mirrors and such. Detailed headlights and rear tail lights, I think. It's kind of hard to see in there. As I said, I'm not really opening these because I'm not hanging on to them. They're going to a new home in Europe. So anyways, just wanted to show them to you guys before they left, because I don't know if anybody else has done a video close up on these. Probably Lamley has. I know he probably has even ripped them open for you. But anyways, here's what the set contains. You have your Porsche, your Lamborghini, the Reventon Roadster, your BMW M1 Pro Car, and the Aston Martin V12 Speedster, and the McLaren F1. And the whole set is available at my Walmart still. Actually, we got in, this is something else I wanted to tell you guys to look out for. We got in the black sidekick from Hot Wheels for premium cars. It's all exotic Envy. And I found 2 of these in there, believe it or not. I've heard of some people opening them and finding absolutely nothing. I even heard of one person finding 4 at one store. I don't know if it was 4 in one sidekick, or they had 2 sidekicks, or 1 sidekick in a couple cases. I don't know what the deal was, but he found 4 at one store. But I did find 2 in one sidekick, so make sure you keep your eyes open for those sidekicks at your store, because usually they don't put them right at the end of the diecast aisle. This was at the end of like the, I know, toddler toy aisle, like where they have the Bluey and Paw Patrol toys and stuff like that. That's where I found this end cap, and it was kind of a little bit shocking, because I didn't even know there were exotic Envy end caps until I found one at my store, and then started seeing other people posting on IG that they found them. So you can see the regular one is number 1 of 5, and as you can see, this unique indication down here, 0 of 5. So if you're a noob and you want to just get the chase pieces, and the dead giveaway is the black car, all black. Even the graphics are, well, not really black, they're a matte gray. But that's the giveaway for chases up until, I think, next year or later this year. But the one way to always tell the chase is 0 of 5. It's like never to exist or something like that. But I did see an upcoming car culture set that's coming soon. I don't know if it's the first of next year or one of the last ones of this year. But the T-Rex, I think it's called Rexy Porsche, that's green and has like the flares that they kind of outline to look like a dinosaur leg in the front. They make like a mouth on it to make it look like a dinosaur mouth and teeth. It looks pretty cool, kind of a unique, cute little paint job there. But the Chase variant is going to be of that car, and instead of doing it all black, the car is pink. And they call it Roxy instead of Rexy, which I thought was pretty cool. So it's nice to see something rather than black all the time, because all the Chase cars looks like a funeral parade or something if you have a bunch of them sitting next to each other. So it's nice to see some like high impact vibrant colors coming up. I dig it because I'm in the Mopar. Mopar always has those high impact vibrant colors that just attract attention. So it's cool to see that they're doing that with the Chases now. So keep your eyes open for colored Chases coming up soon. I'm not sure if pink is going to be the new theme for the Chase car, or if it's just that one off and they're going back to black, or they're just going to pick colors at random. Not sure what's up with that, but yeah, we're going to see some break in the monotony of black coming soon. So anyways, yeah, pretty cool piece. So keep your eyes open for the end caps of Exotic Envy at your Walmarts. You may get surprised and find more than one like I did. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick look at these cars. And as you can see, card art's even done up in black Porsche instead of like the regular Porsche. So it's really hard to overlook the Chases. But anyways, those are some pointers if you are like a noob and you were looking for premium Chases and you weren't hip to the black scheme. Just look at the number 05. That's the same thing with that pink Porsche coming soon. It has the number 05. So guys, I will be back again tomorrow to do our Mopar Monday, so be sure to tune back in for that. Thanks for watching and enjoy your